Okay, so today we'll be learning about more and less. You don't have to worry about what's more and what's less. Basically, when I say more, think about adding something. The number becomes more. And when I say less, the number becomes less. So if someone tells you this is more, think about plussing. Think about adding something. It's like when you go to the shop, you buy something, you adding. That's more. And when you're thinking about less, think about you subtracting. So you're taking something away, which means we are doing what? We are minusing. But today we're going to learn a good method where it's going to help you how to take away, do more and less in an easy way. But before we do that, can you all take out your number charts for me? So, if you look here, unfortunately today I do not have my number chart. So if you have yours and it's laminated, please show me. Yes. And if it's not laminated, please raise your hand so I can give you a plastic folder and you can put it inside, because we're going to write on your number chart. And if it's not laminated, you will write, you won't be able to erase it. So if you look at the number chart, can you see this? It's 1 to 10 and it's, can you see going down, it's 10 to 100. You know what's the tricky part and the nice part about it? Oh, we're about to find out. So if you look at this, let's do this with our pens, and if you draw a line that goes there, can you see there's something happening to the numbers? They're going up. So when they're going up and they're becoming bigger, remember what's happening? It's more. And if it's more, we plus it. Can you write plus for me? There we go. And if you go to the side, it says 10 to 100. When you go down, what's happening to the numbers? They're becoming bigger. And if they're becoming bigger, they're doing what? They're more. Which means we're doing what? We're plussing. Now, look at the other side. If you go from 10 to 1, you're going backwards. What happens to the numbers? They go smaller. And it means you're doing what? You're minusing. So at the bottom, you can just write an arrow for me and you write minus. Can you guys see that? And if you start from here and you go backwards, because if you go down here, can you see that the numbers are becoming big? Meaning that we are adding. And if you go up, can you see that it's 91, 81, the numbers become small. So can you draw a nice arrow? Oh, unfortunately, I do not have enough space and write minus. So we minus. So what I'm going to do with you guys, I'm going to teach you something, or trying to prove it to you that this is the best formula. So if you look at this, if I give you a sum that says 5 plus 1 equals 2, remember I'm looking for an answer. So you go to your number chart, you use your pen, your whiteboard pen, and you go look for 5. You circle the 5. And you're like, oh, okay, now I have the 5. And it says plus. When you look at the plus, remember, you are thinking of adding more. So it needs to be more. So are you going to go backwards or forward? Yes, exactly. You're going forward. So you're going to go one more. So you're going to go one more and it gives you 6. Then you write your answer. As I do it, you just look. And then we will do it together and you do it by yourself. So now I'll do it by myself. Let's say if it was 5 minus 1. So now I'll go look for a 5 again. And I'm like, oh, okay. I need to minus. Minus means take away. It means it's less. Do I go forward or backwards? Yes, backwards. Well done, guys. So you look as I do it. Don't do it on yours because I'm doing it for you. So when you go 1 backwards, it gives you 4. Is it less or more? You see, this one gives us more and this one gives us less. So now what we're going to do, we're going to do it together. So on your whiteboard, please write the sum. Let's go. We're going to say 5 plus 3. Have you guys written that? I'm going to give you 3 seconds to write that. 3, 2, 1. Are you guys ready? Yes. So what I'm going to do first, now take your number chart and look at your sum. It says 5. Can you spot 5? Well done, circle 5. And now it says plus. What are we doing? Are we going forward or backwards? Because now we are adding. Well done, sweetheart. It's plus, it means it's more. So we're going to count 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 8. It's 8. Does it give us more or less? More. Well done. Can you see that? Do you think you guys will be able to go into your groups and do that by yourselves? So what we're going to do now is, I'm going to put you guys into 3. You're going to be in 3, 3. You're going to work with your friends. So you go with this ones, you go with those ones, you go with those ones. And what we're going to do now, come all of you guys, I'm just going to give you guys some sums. Okay, yes, you, there's your sum, there's your sum, and you, there's your sum. So as a group, you guys going to solve those 3 sums that I just gave you. And you guys going to help each other. You're going to work together. Remember, in groups, you help each other. So now you guys going to help each other. I'm going to give you guys some time while you do that. And I'll walk around and check if you guys are doing the right thing. Okay, yes, you have to look. Is it a plus or a minus? It's a minus. Are you supposed to go forward or backwards? Exactly. Please fix your answer. Oh, well done, guys. Yes, I see you guys got the concept. Yes, yes. Are you guys done? Oh, okay, you guys are very smart. Okay, I walked around and I see you guys got this. So what we're going to do now is still in your groups, but I'm just going to give you each a sum to solve. And if you're struggling, please ask your friend to help you. Is that okay? Yes. So now we're going to do this. So you're each going to come to me. I'll give you a sum, then I'll walk around. And when you're done with the sum, you show me your answer. And after I said it's correct, you just wipe your whiteboard and put away your whiteboard, your marker, everything that you're using. Put it in your chair back and get ready for next thing. Is that okay? Yes. So you guys come now. All right. I see you all came and looking good, guys. Looking good. Oh, let's see, sweetheart. Oh, all right. Nice. Oh, you are done, sweetheart. So you can go. It's very good. But oh, no, wait for me. Let me just help this one first. Okay, that's good. All right, you can just go pack up and do everything, and you're gonna be fine. And let's see. Well done. But honey, look at this. I said 8 plus 1. It gives us how much? It's supposed to be more or less when you look at the symbol here. Plus means more. Well, exactly. So you go to your number chart, you know what to do, and it needs to give you a more answer. It cannot be less because it's a plus. Is that okay? Please go try it again, my sweetheart. Yes, well done. You guys all done now. I'm very proud of you guys. Now we're just going to pick away and we'll do the next thing. Is that okay? Okay.